Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Booking.com Affiliate Hub for commission tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Booking.com Affiliate Hub for commission tracking, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Booking.com Affiliate Program. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up or Join Now button. Click on that button to create an affiliate account. Fill in the required information on the registration form. This typically includes your name, email address, and website details. After completing the form, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click on the confirmation link provided in the email. Once confirmed, log back into your affiliate account. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. In the dashboard, locate the Affiliate Hub option. Click on that option to proceed. You should now see various resources available for affiliates. Look for the section labeled Download the Affiliate Hub. This will usually be a button or link on the page. Click on it to initiate the download process. The file will begin downloading to your device. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to access the commission tracking tools. Follow any additional instructions provided within the downloaded materials. Ensure you familiarize yourself with the tools for effective tracking. Now you are ready to start tracking your commissions with Booking.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.